Hey, Super Death Show. It's been a while. It's been 2 years, 2 whole years, and I haven't done much of any kind of drawing in that time. I kind of got into, well, I didn't kind of, I really did. I got into woodworking, and I'm shutting the garage door right now. I got into woodworking, and because I was getting kind of burnt out on drawing. And so I took a break from it, and I got into this whole woodworking thing. I watched a video on making an arcade cabinet like 2 years ago, around in December sometime, and I really was like, man, I would really like to do that. And at the same time, my wife, she'd been asking me a whole bunch that we need a porch. So that spring, you can't really see it because it's dark outside, but this, over the spring, we built a porch. So I can get a better picture of it. So yeah, me and her, we built the porch, and then I needed tools, so I started buying tools. And whenever I buy something, I always do like a super big ton of research. Like if I'm gonna spend over $100 on something, I'll probably spend a month and a half researching it and seeing what the best brand is and the best deals and stuff like that. But I eventually ended up buying like a table saw and a circular saw and some drills and some impact drivers and stuff like that. And I was watching the videos, more videos on making arcade cabinets and stuff. And it's just I didn't have the tools to do it. But eventually I got into building other things that I didn't need as many tools for, like chairs and tables and stuff, which ended up going on the porch and maybe in the house, like a walk-in, like a side table thing. Anyways, I was making little stuff and getting more tools and stuff. And this whole time I was working out of the little shed, this little shed here. Where's it at? This one. I was working out of that little shed right there. There's barely any room in it to even walk around, especially with all my tools. So over that summer, I built myself a woodworking shop, which is right here. There it is. It's kind of disguised as a garage, because sometimes, you know, you got to change the oil in your car or whatever. And that's actually, we're getting ready to go back to work pretty soon. So she wanted me to pull the Jeep in here so she could clean it up and stuff. And I need to change the oil and stuff like that. So I kind of wanted to show off the shop, but I guess I kind of can't because nothing's where it's supposed to be because we've got the car in here. But anyways, yeah, she got me a big saw, like a miter saw for Christmas. And this thing, everything's on wheels. That way I can wheel everything out of the way whenever we need to bring the vehicle in. But when it's all set up, I've got this huge table, which is right there. I built my table saw, or I built the table around the table saw. And I wish I had projects and stuff to show you, because it's really, see, like building things, when you're finished building something, it gives me the same satisfaction as finishing a drawing and then uploading it to Twitter or whatever. But it's less of a show-offy thing because nobody really gets to see this stuff except for me and my family and you know, people who come by or whatever. But oh, here's a chair I'm working on. God, I can't even work a camera. It's a little chair that I wanted to replace the ones on the porch with. So I made this one as kind of like a prototype. I like the side of it. It looks pretty cool. But anyways, I kind of made it as a prototype. I'm going to take it back apart and use it as a template to make like 4 more. And I really don't have anything else in here to show you. So you just got to trust me that I'm building stuff. But anyways, over Christmas, me and my family, we went up to visit my mom and my little sister, and she's like 16 now, and she's getting into drawing, and it's something that I can totally relate to her with. So we were like talking about drawing and stuff, and it kind of got me, you know, thinking about it and stuff. So when I got home, I started drawing again, and so back in January, I started drawing again and started posting back to Twitter. So that's where I am right now. I'm drawing again. So we'll see how long it lasts this time. But anyways, I just thought I'd give a little quick update since it's been 2 years. And that's about it. Hopefully I'll see you guys again soon, someday, time.